back. It's Brendan here. I got something really good going on here today. Transport truck interior detail. Let me give you guys a walkthrough on what I got. Hey ladies and gentlemen, I got ourselves interior truck detail. Give you guys a little walkthrough. A little bit of dust and debris here. This one's not too bad at all, actually. There you have it, guys. If there's an interior detail that I'm going to be working on, stay tuned and follow for more. Hey everybody, welcome back. Got the interior done on this transport truck. Let me give you guys a walkthrough on the full interior detail that I just did.